Okay, so re tlo tswela pele ka the other vitamins tse latelang, which is vitamin C, vitamin D, and the vitamin folate or the folic acid. So on the vitamin C, o ka kgona ifumana from the citrus fruits, into the kambo, the oranges. And ka letsatsi, at least you can get it from 2 medium oranges. And re na le dintho tse kang hape the vitamin D. The vitamin D also o ka kgona go e fumane from the dairy products like lebisi or mahe. Le nakong eo ditseng letsatsing, the direct sunlight on your skin ke tsona tse thusa gore skin sa se kgone gore se absorbe vitamin D. So re tlo bua hape le ka folic acid. Folic acid o ka kgona e fumana ho di cereals, o ka kgona hape o e fumana on the green leafy vegetables. So ke kaofela ke tsona tse thusang gore di support the immune system ya hao gore di dule ntse le strong. If you have the Herbalife shake, o tlo kgona ho fumana these vitamins, tsona tsena tsa the folic acid or the folate, vitamin C and vitamin D. O tlo kgona ho ithola ka mona on the Herbalife shake. Re na le body pro 20 select, we have the protein bars, we have the express bar, re na le pro core protein drink mix. So kaofela di tlo thusa hore o fumane di nutrients tseno. Goodbye.